Before we put the system through its paces, let's have a look at some of the outstanding features which makes the Pro Edge the sharpening system you will want in your workshop. The Pro Edge has been conceived, designed and manufactured in the Robert Sorby factory in Sheffield, England. 200 years of tool making and sharpening have gone into the making of the Pro Edge Ultimate Sharpening System. After all, it replicates much of the system that has been tried, tested and used in the Robert Sorby tool factory for years and years. First of all, the spine of the Pro Edge is over 1/4 of an inch thick, which highlights that it is a very robust piece of equipment. And weighing in at around 30 pounds, it is built to last. So, it can be used in any workshop environment or even on site. The cornerstone of the Pro Edge is the patented angle setter. As woodworkers, we know that the most infuriating and time-consuming part of our hobby is not just sharpening our tools, but getting the same shape and bevel angle every time. Even some of the most experienced woodworkers rate sharpening as the most difficult element of our pastime. Well, the angle setter takes away all the guesswork, leaving you free to spend more time using your tools rather than sharpening them. This angle setter guide is here to help you. It shows all the popular bevel angles we use and the corresponding hole on the angle setter. Because of the positive setting of the angle location pin, the same angle is repeated time after time. Nothing could be simpler. There's no trial and error, no room for a mistake. Simply line up with a hole appropriate to the bevel angle you want, and your angle is guaranteed. No other system can give you that accuracy. There is an angle for every type of woodworking tool, 15 degrees for skews, 20 to 35 for various woodworking chisels, 45 and 60 for gouges, and 80 and 90 for scrapers and cutters. One of the nicest features of the Pro Edge is that it can be adapted to meet your comfort requirements. Release these 2 screws and the belt assembly unit will move through 80 degrees. You may, as many do, find this position not only more comfortable but also gives you a better view of what you are doing. No need to stretch and strain. The Pro Edge can be angled to whatever position is best for you personally. Now you will have noticed that the Pro Edge uses an abrasive belt system. This will give you a flat grind each and every time. Unlike a stone, there is no uneven wear. These are not sanding belts, but sharpening belts in 3 material grades: aluminium oxide, zirconium and ceramic. They are not only high efficient cutting media, they are cool cutting, so there is no fear of excessive heat damaging your tools. One of the nice things about these belts is they are not overlapped at the join, but are abutted. This means you get a nice smooth action and without the worry which way round they are fitted. Just another nice touch in the Pro Edge design. As I said, there is a choice of belts. There is also a choice of grits depending on whether you are simply resharpening your tool or whether you need something a bit more aggressive to reshape it. Versatility is one of the keys to the Pro Edge. It can be used to sharpen a wide range of woodworking tools, not just bench chisels, but also framing chisels, plane irons, the whole selection of turning tools, carving chisels, and even drill bits. Not only is it versatile, it is easy to use. In fact, it can be used straight out of the box. No need for complex assembly instructions, just plug and go. Equally straightforward is the belt change operation. Undo the 2 screws on the side panel. Press down here and the tension is released, allowing you to remove the belt. To fit the belt, simply locate it onto the top and bottom pulleys. Put the side guard and screws back into place. No mess, no guesswork. The belt should automatically align. If it doesn't, the tracking can simply be adjusted using the 2 adjustment bars. To complete the Pro Edge, there is a series of jigs and accessories which not only make your sharpening easier but also give you more options. There are several handy jigs which fit straight onto the tool platform. They are designed specifically to assist in sharpening a range of tools such as the skew, standard ground gouges and woodworking chisels. For those requiring a longer grind on their gouges, there is a fingernail profiler. Also available is a honing wheel and buffing mop. So in a nutshell, the Pro Edge can quite rightly be claimed to be the ultimate sharpening system. It fulfills a real need. It is simple to use and is more versatile than any other sharpening system on the market.